Hello and welcome to a quick video on how to use Google Classroom. So to get to Google Classroom, you go to Google and you look up Google Classroom. And it's the first link that pops up. Go ahead and click that link. And then you have an option that says Go to Classroom. You click on that and it's going to ask you to sign in. Now, if you've used the computer before, it's going to have your Nautilus email there already. If you haven't, please remember that your Nautilus email is basically your ID number. So let's say your ID number is 56789. Your Nautilus email would be 56789 at mbnautilussharks.org. Okay? And if you ever forget what the at is, if you look up the school, so if you look up Nautilus Middle, the very first link that pops up is the school website. So you go ahead, you click on that, and then on the top, you see mbnautilussharks.org. That's the school website. So that's what you use for the at. Okay? Now, if you've already used the computer again, it's going to be there for you, so you just click it. Then you go ahead and you enter your password. And boom, it takes you into your Google Classroom. Your next step is to go ahead and pick the class that you want to work with. So let's say you have me for 2 classes. You go ahead and you pick whatever class you're in now. So let's say we're in period 1 math. So we go ahead and we click that. The very first thing that will pop up is the Stream tab. This is where any important notifications will appear. So usually on the Stream tab, I like to keep that completely clear of anything. And the only link that should be here always is the quarantine link. So if you are quarantined, you can go ahead and click that link and it will take you to the quarantine link so you can access class. After that, you have the Classwork tab. And on the Classwork tab, here's where you'll have all the information, what we're doing in class and every single day. So it's organized in a pretty simple way. The Classroom Essentials is always at the top, and it has any how-to guides, any class information. It has the class website, which will be coming shortly. And then it's just organized by topic. So as you scroll down, you can see it's organized by date. So 10/19 Monday, 10/15 Friday, etc., etc. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory. The most recent stuff, the most recent dates at the top. When you look at the actual assignments underneath it, the assignments that look like a book with a bookmark, if you click them and open them, these assignments are your notes. So any notes that we've done in class will be posted as little books with bookmarks so that you can access these on your own 24/7. You can access them from home, you can copy them into your notes, whatever you need to do. Yeah? And this applies for every single piece of classwork that we do. Usually, if there are any videos that are included in the notes or that might be helpful, I include them there as well in English and Spanish in case students would find them useful. Okay, now these are the notes. The other things that look like little checkboards, which are here, these are your assignments. So when you go ahead and you click on the assignment and you click the option that says View Assignment, it opens up and it shows you your assignment. It shows you the assignment, it tells you when it's due, and it goes ahead and it gives you any instructions. If there's any important document that you might need or any resource to help refresh your memory on how to complete the assignment, I include it here as well. Okay? So let's say you forgot how to log into your Reflex Math. You could go ahead and you can click that. It takes you to a presentation showing you step by step how to log on to your Reflex Math. That's pretty much it. Okay, so let's say you reviewed that, you went ahead, you did your Reflex Math. Well, now you have another cool option. You can go ahead and you can click Mark as Done. So when you click Mark as Done, now when we go back to period 1 math, you notice this assignment is no longer full of color, it grayed out. That shows you that you finished it. So it's a really, really cool way of making sure that you keep yourself organized. Then the other assignments, for example, there's an Edpuzzle assignment. So you just click it and boom, click the link. It'll straight to Edpuzzle. Here we have a small error because I didn't create an Edpuzzle for this testing account, but there you go. So the basic idea is Google Classroom is how you can find and access every single one of your pieces of classwork. So let's say that this Edpuzzle, you went ahead and you did it. Okay, again, when you're done, just mark it as done. I'm not grading the fact that you're marking it as done, but it makes it so much easier and so much more organized for you. So here you had an extra Khan Academy assignment. Okay, let's say you did it. Mark it as done. Again, the fact that you marked it as done is not going to give you a free A, but it does help you understand, hey, you know, I finished this. I don't have any missing work from Monday. Now I can go back or go forward and complete whatever I need to. You also have another really cool feature on Google Classroom, which is if you click on Google Calendar here on the top right, it goes ahead and it takes you straight to a calendar where you can see all the assignments that you have due for your classes. And you have access to this calendar. Well, you have access to this calendar whenever you want. Okay? That's pretty much it for Google Classroom, and I hope this helps.